Hey y'all, I'm Jasmine, and today we're doing wash day using the L'Oreal Paris Elvive collection. Now before we get into it, I'm going to show you how to test and see what porosity your natural hair is. Now all you're going to need is a glass of water and a strand of your hair. I know that sounds crazy, but you can either take one that is in your brush that has naturally shed, or you could pop one out. This is my little curly Q that I have here. All you're going to do is take this piece of hair and put it in the glass of water. And what you're going to want to do is let this sit for a few minutes and see if your piece of hair stays on top of the water, is in the middle of the water, or if it sinks to the bottom of the water. If your piece of hair floats on top of the water, you're more likely than not low porosity. If it's in the middle, that's normal porosity. If it sinks to the bottom, that is going to be high porosity. And for me, the easiest way to think about porosity is when it comes to how quickly your hair absorbs water. So if water just rolls off the top of your hair and it takes a long time for your hair to get wet, then you're more likely than not going to be a low porosity person. Now, if your hair soaks up water but it also dries really quickly, you're probably going to be a high porosity person. And all that basically means is that the hair shaft is tighter when you have low porosity, so it takes a long time for water to kind of get up in there and penetrate the hair shaft. Now, if you have high porosity, that means your hair shaft looks like a Christmas tree and is wide open, and so it's easy for water to get up in there, but it's also easy for water to drain, which makes your hair dry faster. Now, it's kind of hard to see, but it's been a few minutes and my hair is sitting on top of the water. It's not really easy to see on camera, but I promise it's sitting on top of the water, which means your girl has low porosity hair. So when I found out about the L'Oreal Paris Elvive collection, I knew I had to try it. This collection here has hyaluronic acid in it, and when I think hyaluronic acid, I think moisture, I think hydration, and that's something that I always like to incorporate in my skincare routine. So when I tried this out and washed my hair with it, when I tell you my hair went from dry and dull to so hydrated, it made zero sense. Like, I was so flabbergasted. I felt like it was skincare, but for my hair. My hair felt so hydrated, so moisturized, and literally brought back to life. And just when I thought my hair was moisturized, the conditioner came in clutch. When I put this conditioner on my hair literally felt amazing. And last but not least, we have the Replumping Serum. Now, this is like a leave-in, and I love using products like this to just refresh my hair throughout the week. So I went ahead and styled my hair in this cute little slick back, and this is going to be that product when I wake up in the morning and I just need to refresh, replump, and get my hair back looking cute. That's what I'm going to apply to my hair. And look at the shine and just how moisturized my hair looks. Not only does it look moisturized, but when I tell you it feels moisturized as well. You need to try out these products. Now, if you guys are interested in more information about these products, make sure you check out l'orealparisusa.com as well as the links below. Bye!